Hello and welcome to the course, Your Home, Your Way, How to Buy Without Agents. I am so pleased that you are here because this course is about to change how you view how to buy a home. Think about how people used to rely on travel agents to book their flights, book their reservations and their hotels. Well, now most of us just handle it ourselves using online tools and resources. I tell you, times have changed. And just like you don't need a travel agent to book your vacations, you don't need a realtor to buy your own home. You can take control of the process while saving money in paying those realtors' commissions. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or you've purchased a home before, this course is going to guide you and give you the confidence to be able to buy a home on your own. You're about to gain the tools necessary to navigate the biggest financial decision of your life, all the while saving tons of money in those realtors' commissions. Let me just briefly explain what you'll learn in this course. This course will guide you through every step of buying your own home. Each module will cover a different part of the process, from setting your budget to closing the deal. You'll also get practical tools like checklists, templates, and worksheets to help you along the way. I'll walk you through each step of the home buying process, from understanding real estate market cycles and trends, to finding the perfect home, to place an offer on that perfect home, in addition to the contract process and closing the deal. At the end of the course, I will also talk about what you can expect and what to look for as you have become a homeowner. What sets this course apart is not just about giving you information. It's about empowering you to make the informed decision, stay in control, and to give you the confidence every step of the way. By the end of this course, you will know exactly how to buy your own home on your own terms. Most importantly, you will have the peace of mind knowing that you made the right choice in buying your own home. So let's get started by turning your homeownership dreams into reality.